Are you taking a video?
Yep.
I love this, don't you? This is the best fireworks show ever. Save this video, okay? Will you save this video?
Yeah.
Whoa. Baby Chungus get released. Did one go up in there?
The cool part is, dude, I get to watch it on the phone. That's the cool part.
Then remember this? And remember this time with us? In the fireworks? Yeah!
Dude, I can't even see you.
Wait, you can't see me? Can you see me?
No, you went straight up the dog.
Now can you see me?
You see me now? No. Yeah, I did. Oh, Big Chungus!
Big Chungus released.
No, stop. I'm taking a video.
Oh, this is the best. It's like nukes when they blow up.
I know, huh?
They like make this radiation thing, and it destroys the world. Guys, look how much bracelets I have. Look at it. Look at his wheels. Look at the wheels. How much there are.
Oh, it's over. Oh, no.
They thought it was over.
They said, Is it over? I think it's over.
Nope, it's not.
Yep, it is. Nope. When is it going to be over?
I love this, don't you?
Would it ever be over?
Big Chungus,
Oh,
please!
it's over.
Yes.
Hi, guys, it's over.
No, it's not.
Yes, I know.
Trust me, I don't think it's over.
Oh, it's not.
Nope.
Literally.
Excuse me.
4th of July, baby.
The best time of the year, right? Guys, you know we can still hang out with Mom and Dad. Jacob, you can come over. Yeah, sometime. We'll be here till next Friday. Yeah. Till the Friday and the next week. Yeah, but we're not back here. Yeah, that, how much till that?
Dude.
Whoa!
Oh, Big Chungus.
Gas nukes. Wait, are they actually releasing tiny nukes?
Dude, if they are, I would punch the people.
Because those actually could destroy the world. If they were actually nukes, we would be dead.
Oh,
Oh, Big Chungus!
Big Chungus! Should I just put this on YouTube?
Put it. I dare you.
Okay, I will.
This is a